If you're trying to decide the best method to host your organization's software and data, the choice often comes down to on-premise versus cloud. Apart from budget and security considerations, it's essential to understand the types of management and the key difference in ownership and control. It's not all black and white. There's also a hybrid approach that blends the best of both worlds. What is on-premise software? On-premise software is installed and operated within an organization's physical location, hosted on their own hardware and servers. Your organization would be responsible for purchasing, installing, and maintaining the necessary software and hardware infrastructure. This option is ideal if you want full control over your software and data, have specific security or compliance requirements, or prefer managing your IT infrastructure internally. What is cloud-based software? Cloud-based software, or SaaS, software as a service, is hosted on remote servers accessed over the internet, managed by third-party vendors. Employees access these services online, with the vendor handling security, updates, backups, and maintenance. This option is popular among organizations seeking flexibility, cost savings, and the ability to access software from anywhere. The first difference lies in ownership. On-premise software requires you to own and maintain all hardware and infrastructure, while cloud providers manage it all off-site. With on-premise, expect upfront investments in hardware, software licenses, and infrastructure setup. Cloud software typically operates on a pay-as-you-go model. Maintenance is another factor. On-premise requires manual management of updates, security patches, and backups. In contrast, cloud providers handle all of these. Access to on-premise systems is limited to your physical location, while cloud software offers remote access from anywhere with an internet connection. On-premise systems give you full control over your hardware, software, and data, allowing for tailored customization and security measures. However, on-premise solutions come with significant upfront costs, ongoing maintenance responsibilities, and limited scalability. Cloud software offers scalability, cost-effectiveness, and remote accessibility, providing flexibility and agility in IT management. Despite its advantages, cloud-based software can raise concerns about data security, compliance, and dependency on stable internet connectivity. On-premise solutions involve upfront costs for hardware, software licenses, and maintenance, while cloud services offer subscription-based pricing with reduced upfront costs. Evaluate the total cost of ownership by considering the cumulative expenses over the system's lifecycle for both options. What are hybrid cloud solutions? Hybrid cloud solutions blend public and private cloud environments, combining the benefits of both deployment models for greater flexibility. For example, sensitive data can be kept on a private cloud, while non-sensitive tasks can utilize public cloud services for scalability and cost savings. In summary, cloud solutions enhance collaboration, scalability, and cost savings, while on-premise systems require upfront investments and ongoing maintenance for greater control and customization. The total cost of ownership and the balance between control, scalability, and cost-effectiveness should guide your decision between cloud and on-premise solutions. If you find it difficult to choose, hybrid cloud systems offer a versatile solution that combines the best of both worlds. Do you have any insights on this topic? Leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to InfGate Academy for more insights into the world of service management.